Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll be discovering a topic of distillation which is fractional distillation, where particularly in this video we will be looking at what is fractional distillation, then types of fractional distillation, and we would compare other types of distillation with fractional distillation. So guys, let's get started. We'll begin our discussion with what is fractional distillation. Guys, you must all know that fractional distillation process takes advantage of the fact that different substances in a mixture have different boiling points. In fractional distillation, a liquid mixture is heated in a fractionating column, which is a vertical column with a series of trays or packing materials. As the material is heated, the components with lower boiling point vaporizes first. The vapor rises through the column, and as it ascends, it comes into the contact with cooler surfaces, which is the trays or the packings, which causes the vapor to condense partially. The condensed vapor then revaporizes as it moves up the column. To summarize, fractional distillation is particularly effective when dealing with the mixtures where the boiling point of the components are close to one another. It enables the isolation of pure components with greater precision than the simple distillation, making it an essential technique in the production of various industries and consumer products such as fuels, solvents, and chemicals. Okay guys, so I hope now it is clear to you what is a fractional distillation. Now guys, in this video we will be looking at the types of fractional distillation, which is packed column and tray column. Guys, fractional distillation column can be categorized based on the internal structure used to increase the surface area for the vapor liquid contact. The two main types of column are packed column and tray column, from which the first is the packed column. Guys, the structure of the packed column are filled with a packing material like ceramic or metal beads, rings, or other structured packing. The packing provides a large surface area for the vapor to come into contact with the liquid and facilitating the separation. So guys, in simple words, the packed column structure includes packing material which are made up of ceramic, metal beads, rings, or structured packings. Guys, the main advantage of packed column are often simpler in design and may be more suitable for certain applications. They are generally used when dealing with systems that does not require a high level of separation or when the components have a small volatility difference. To summarize this, the packed column is filled with packing material which are made up of ceramics, metal beads, rings, or structured packing. And the objective of packing is to provide surface area for vapor liquid interactions. And the main advantage of packed column is that it is suitable for certain applications and it is simpler in design. Okay guys, so this was a type of fractional distillation column. Now the other type of fractional distillation column is the tray column, or it is also known as plate column. Okay. Now talking about the structure of tray columns has a series of trays or plates at regular interval along the height of the column. These trays hold up the liquid, providing surfaces where vapor liquid contact occurs. The number of trays can vary based on the separation requirement. Okay guys, so this was a simple structure of tray column, where it comprises of various number of plates at regular interval, and that is to facilitate vapor liquid contacts. Okay guys, now talking about the advantage of tray columns are often preferred for application requiring higher separation efficiency, which is compared to the packed columns, and the trays provide multiple stage for vapor liquid equilibrium, which allows for better separation of components with close boiling points. Okay guys, to summarize that, the tray column comprises of a series of trays which is to provide the vapor liquid contact, and the main advantage of tray column is to have higher separation efficiency, and it works better when we are dealing with components with close boiling points. Guys, both packed column and tray columns have their different advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between them depends on the factor such as the property of mixture, the desired level of separation, and the efficiency of separation process. Okay guys, tray columns are most common in large scale industrial application, while packed columns are often used in small scale or specialty applications. In summary, the choice between the packed and the tray column in fractional distillation depends on the specific needs of separation process and the characteristics of the mixture being distilled. Okay guys, I hope this topic of types of fractional distillation column is clear to you. Guys, now here we will be looking at one-to-one comparison between fractional distillation column and other types of distillations. So let's begin our comparison with the first type of distillation, which is simple distillation. In simple distillation, a single distillation cycle is there and which is suitable for components with a large difference in boiling points. While in the case of fractional distillation, multiple distillation cycles are there within a fractionating column and which is ideal for components with close boiling points. Okay guys, simple distillation is used when a single distillation is sufficient for separation, while a fractional distillation is used where high precision and separation efficiency are required, especially for mixtures with similar boiling points. Okay guys, so this was the difference between fractional distillation and simple distillation. Now moving on with the next type of distillation, which is steam distillation. In comparison of steam distillation versus fractional distillation, the steam distillation involves the use of steam to carry away the temperature sensitive materials or temperature sensitive components. While talking about the fractional distillation, it uses a fractionating column for multiple vaporization condensation cycles. Okay guys? Steam distillation is used commonly for extracting essential oil from the plants, while fractional distillation is more of a general purpose, which is applied to a wide range of mixtures for precise separation. Now talking about the third type of comparison is between vacuum distillation and fractional distillation. So guys, in vacuum distillation it operates under reduced pressure to lower the boiling points, while in fractional distillation it utilizes a fractionating column for enhancing the separation. Okay, and the other difference is that vacuum distillation is applied when distilling high boiling point fractions in the petroleum industries, while the fractional distillation is suitable for various mixtures which requires precision separation, especially with the components of similar boiling points. Now talking about the fourth type of comparison, which is between azeotropic distillation and fractional distillation. Guys, in azeotropic distillation it involves the addition of entrainer to break the azeotropes. Means a solvent or a chemical is been added to break the azeotropes. While in fractional distillation no such medium is been used, it utilizes a fractionating column for multiple vaporization and condensation cycles. And guys, in azeotropic distillation it is applied when dealing with azeotropic mixtures that resist normal distillation. And in case of fractional distillation, it is used for general separations, especially when dealing with the substances with close boiling points. Okay guys, now last comparison for this video, which is between the batch distillation and fractional distillation. Guys, in batch distillation, it distills a fixed quantity of material in a single batch, while in fractional distillation, it involves continuous distillation with multiple cycles. Guys, I hope this comparison highlights the specific characteristics and applications that differentiate each type of distillation from fractional distillation. And guys, that's all for this video where we discussed about what is fractional distillation, types of fractional distillation, and some comparisons of fractional distillation with other types of distillation. And guys, stay tuned for a couple of videos on fractional distillation where individually we'll be talking about the components of tray column, the components of pack column in the next coming videos. After which we would be looking at the working of fractional distillation, followed by we will be looking at the advantages, disadvantages and the applications of fractional distillation. So guys, stay tuned for those interesting videos. And guys, for more informative videos on chemical engineering, process engineering, chemical safety, industrial safety, you can subscribe to this channel. And guys, as always, feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.